Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. You know what time it is. It's time to join in with Martin's Midlife Misadventures. And I'm doing another prepping video. They are my awesome friends and it's a great channel. And if you are not following them, please go over and check them out. I try to do at least one of these videos every week. They are a great channel. As you can tell, their channel is growing by leaps and bounds, because they are so positive and always bring you great information, just like a few of these videos I'm sharing right now. Go check them out. Now let's see what Grandma bought this week. Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. You know what time it is when you see all this food on my kitchen table. It's prepping time. Oh my gosh, I got so many good buys this week. Most of it wasn't on sale, but I still looked around and made sure I got a lot of good buys. I spent $112.14. Now, when we shop, I like to try to keep a variety of food and try to add a little bit of new stuff to my pantry and to the freezer. But I also want to make sure I replace what we've used if it's something we eat all the time. As you can see, I think I got a pretty good variety of food for $112.14. Including fresh fruits and vegetables. And it's not all canned goods, and I did stock up a little bit on the meat also this week. Now, I usually buy something when I find it a good price or something I know I'm going to have trouble finding. Now, they had a lot better selection of tamales this week. They were almost out the last time I bought it. And the Minestrone Soup. Those are 3 cans are to replace what we've already used, for we don't run out. And the 3 cans of tomato sauce are something I buy pretty often and make sure I always have some in the pantry, for I have something quick and easy I can mix with other foods and give more flavor. And a can of tomato sauce really goes a long ways to adding flavor to just some boring food like Spanish rice. With a little bit of that, it adds a lot of flavor. Then we're going to have fruit salad this week. So I got all the fruit on sale. I got strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Doesn't that sound good? And of course, I got some pears and some bananas also to go with it. I find it always makes more sense to have a lot of food with a lot of flavor to keep everything tasting good and keep us feeling like we're not doing without. We got some eggnog for a little bit more interesting food for the holidays. Got 2 packages of yogurt my husband likes. The butter was on sale, so I got 2 of those. Not that I need any, but now we're ahead on that. The whipped topping, I got a good price on that, and I bought 2 of them, one for now and one for later. Still can't find spumoni ice cream, so I bought vanilla just so we could have maybe some fresh fruit and ice cream. That makes a great dessert along with a fruit salad. And I always try to keep a variety of foods. Bought a dozen eggs. That can make quite a few different items too. And of course, bacon. Bacon is one of our favorite meats to buy, and because bacon may become a problem in the future to buy here, I stocked up and bought 3. Bought 2 for the freezer and 1 for the refrigerator. That way we always have some bacon hanging around. And I don't know if it's true or not, they're saying that starting next year, you're not going to be able to import bacon from other states if they're not going by our strict rules about how you take care of the animals. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what the rules are going to be, but we'll just do the best we can. But even though we may be limited on bacon, I wanted to make sure I got good quality bacon. And as you can see, there's plenty of meat on this bacon. It's not all just fat. And I always try to check my bacon when I buy it. I did buy some Mexican 4 cheeses. I like that blend. And that'll be enough for several meals too, because I'm not a big cheese eater. And I got my husband a couple of honey ham packages because he likes to eat it. Then I bought some fresh vegetables. I bought some tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, and some garlic, and of course some carrots. That will make some great meals and add a lot of flavor to our food. That's important too. I'm not going to use all of these vegetables on one meal. They'll be probably on 3 or 4 meals. So there's going to be a flavor in everything that we cook and eat. I have some regular onions also that I bought last week, and it'll probably last 3 or 4 weeks. I try to make sure we have a great variety and we can use things for more than one meal. Stretching our food dollar. It's not hard to do. You just need to look out of the box a little and see what you can add to what you already have and own. And then, of course, I bought some more grapes that I found also. They were a good price also. I forgot to mention, I also got 4 cans of chili. So, Grandma's got something quick and easy just to open up, add a little cheese to it, and a little bit of fresh vegetables, and you're going to have something great to eat. That is the whole idea of making sure you can find simple things that you can just add a few extra flavors and make it taste so much yummier. I did buy another 10 pounds of potatoes also, and that will last probably 2 to 3 weeks. What do you think of my grocery shopping? What do you think? Give me a comment. And keep that pantry full, keep that freezer full, and you can cut down on your grocery bill. Remember, this was only $112, and this will be a lot of great variety food with what I already have in my freezer. You don't have to buy everything every week. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy.